Hi everyone, quick update. I like to monitor Facebook groups about Arduinos, and one guy giving up a bunch of stuff about Arduino and Raspberry Pis, and let's see what I got. So, a big trash bag full of stuff. This one is a Raspberry Pi. I think one guy mentioned that it's not working. I think it's the first one. Raspberry Pi is first. Let's later check that out. Here a little box of stuff with Arduinos, and here is cool display. I think there is full project, like here, breadboard, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and display. One big display. This one can be expensive. This big, actually, a flashlight, antenna. I think this is a laser, and another project. I think here's a microcontroller here, and so on. Wires, and this, what I saw in the pictures, this displays. It's I think 4 rows, 16 characters, and usually I bought an adapter here, not to do this in serial. These headers and breadboards. Our Arduino. I think this one original. It have labels on the side, so this is how I can tell that it's original Arduino. Bunch of wires, Arduino. Here's like small modules. I think this encoder. Bunch of resistors, LEDs. This one is a MP3 player module with a remote control. Okay, we need to check this out. What else interesting here? Okay, this one I saw. This one is a small real-time clock module. I think it's I2C. This one magnetic switch. Bunch of LEDs, and what we have here. This one is like CD Rom, and here's 2 motors. This one is stepper motor that drives head, and this one is a spindle module that spins the disk. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this. What else? Some PCBs, bunch of wires, more CD-ROMs, 1, 2. Oh, nothing interesting more here. Like small motors, again CD-ROMs. This one I think drives this cage thing. Another motor, stepper motor. Okay, good. This one is very interesting. I think again stepper motor. Maybe. I don't know. Something really big, like power supply maybe. Yeah, looks like power supply. It here says what voltage, 3 and 3, 5 volt, 12 volt, 5 volt plus. Yeah. And this is what, I don't know, a metal here. And nothing else interesting here. A flashlight and a wires. So let's try to I hooked it up one of the project to the power supply here, and let's power on. And it shows a time. I think it was connected to this one, this small module for real-time clock. I will later try to connect this up. Obviously, I don't have a firmware for it, sketch, but let's try to figure it out. So here are the CD Roms. Here's this project. Some of diodes here, radio module, 2 breadboards, displays, 1, 2, 3, and big one where it is. Arduino. Here. So here's big display. This one Arduino Leonardo original. Another Arduino Uno, also original with case. Lots of wires, some motors, lights, another breadboard. So 4 total. Resistors and Raspberry Pi. Here's another project. I think it's big microcontroller. Display, some connector, and look at this. There's some micro from ST. Can you see on screen? Some switches. I don't know what it is, but I will disassemble this right away. I installed Raspberry Pi on SD card with this Raspberry Pi imager, and now it's slowly booting to Raspberry Pi.